The first principle of Niamtre states that one should earn his bread by his own righteousness. This rhythmatic play dance is very popular among the modern Jaintias. People participate in this dance to express joy and merriment. In the olden days, whenever a tiger was killed, the whole community worshipped the village deity and performed this dance. Otherwise, they believed the clan would suffer. The costumes and ornaments of the Jaintias have a rich taste and variety. There is a different costume for each occasion, like marriage, social festival, community gathering, religious meeting, working and the like. This is the Tiger's Dance. The Tiger's Dance is a traditional dance of the Jaintias. The dance bears a deep spiritual cohesion with the feelings and belief of the people. Knowing each other is always a prerequisite before a marriage takes place. The concept of marriage in the Jaintia society is one of cohabitation and mutual understanding. Marriage within a clan is considered an unexcusable offense.